if you look closely, you can see that there's a hole here, and then an equally similarly shaped protrusion here, and they fit into each other. So I'm going to align the hole to that little protrusion. I'm going to come in at an angle like this, and then once it's kind of like so, I'm going to rotate it back in, like so. Now the final step is I'm going to tighten the 2 new screws and lock that lever in place. So the trick with this is I'm going to put my screw on the end of the Allen key like this, and then I'm going to go through the wheel once again. I'm going to go through the hole. Again, the hole is these 2 holes. I'm going to go through them, and then I'm going to begin to tighten. Righty-tighty. And then just tighten it until it's snug, and not too tight, but snug. I'm going to do the same with my second screw. I'm going to do the bottom one this time, and the order in which you do these 2 screws doesn't matter. Okay, and then snug.